This week I'm testing the Jaguar I-Pace. It's a 5-seater electric SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Jaguar I-Pace there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, and they're also in plastic guides and easy to connect to. I only managed to be able to fit 2 child seats in the back here. There just wasn't room for a third in the middle, unfortunately, but there is a lot of leg room in this car, and we could easily fit a 182cm passenger in front of a rear facing child seat. Storage in the back of the Jaguar I-Pace is quite good. There's a fold down in the central seat back that has 2 cup holders in it. It will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and there's a lidded storage tray as well. There are net map pockets in the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins in the back here are pretty small. I could only just get a 600ml bottle in there. In the front the storage is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a really nice and large central console box, and in front of them is a really nice sized phone charging well. The glove box is a good size in here too. I could fit my iPad in here with my wallet and the manual, and in the ceiling you've got a nicely lined sunglasses holder. The door bins are a good size in the front. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, but there's no handle wells. The boot door of the Jaguar I-Pace opens and closes nice and quietly, and underneath the boot floor here is where all your charging leads are kept. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 13 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 5 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 6 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 9 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. There's also a handy little front boot as well. The I-Pace is a beautiful car to drive. Being electric, it's lovely and smooth and quiet. I've found that I can just drive my daughter to sleep without using fuel or worrying about that, which is fantastic. I have found that the battery seems to diminish quicker than I thought in the I-Pace, and I have had to charge it more than I thought I would this week. The electric I-Pace has been really easy to use as a family car this week. I found I haven't charged it at home. I've just charged it out and about as part of my weekly life, at a local business and at the supermarket, and when we went to the zoo, for example. The media system in the new I-Pace is fantastic and modern compared to the old Jags, and it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. Now there's this screen up here, and there's also a second one down here where you can control your media and also aircon and things like that. Now there's an EV screen as well, which allows you to keep a track of your battery usage, and when you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and crisp and clear. You've also got different camera views as well, and you can mute the sensor sound as well as just minimizing it slightly with this button here. So to sum up with the Jaguar I-Pace, it is a beautiful car and it is so nice to drive. I wasn't expecting that battery to drain quite as quickly as it did. That new media system is fantastic. Fitting child seats is easy, and that boot space is good. It's a really nice family car. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.